I'm just now gonna open it. It's the mystery box. So this one's bigger and it has more stuff. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, I hope they know my style, cause but okay, that's not the point of mystery. I know, I get it. I need to just shut up. So the first thing, it looks like earrings, necklace. I don't know. It's jingly. We'll see. Okay. So let's see. Yes, I'm just so happy that they know I wanted Christmas earrings or jewelry. But I didn't want this one. But this is a snowflake with a red bead. It's pretty, but I already have snowflakes. I mean, yeah, snowflake earrings. So I didn't want these, but it's okay. It's okay. So there. You see, this is why I don't like mystery, because I didn't want these, but oh well. But yeah, I'm truly grateful. I'm not gonna, deny it because I didn't like it. Like, no. I'm very appreciative, okay? So the next thing is this. No, I don't want this either. You're basically sending me stuff that people don't want. I'm not throwing shade, but for real, I didn't want that either. There's two things that I don't like. But this is a stocking, I think. This is how it looks. This is, I don't know what this is. It's a gnome or no. ¿Cómo se llaman? I forgot. What are the names of these creatures? I don't freaking know. But I mean, it's cute, but I don't need it. I'm not gonna use it. So this is how it looks. It's really big and spacious, so that's cool. I don't have nowhere to hang it or use it. I'm not doing anything this year, so I wish I could give this away, but I can't do shipping right now. But anyways, that's one. Okay, the third thing. Okay, I think this is a makeup palette. Oh my gosh, I hope so. It comes like this. Please tell me it's a good. Yes. Okay, this I really wanted, or not really, but I did want. It's another Makeup Revolution palette, but this is a cool one because I've never seen these types of eyeshadows before, and that's what made me so intrigued about this palette, that I really wanted it, because this is new for me. Okay, look, I'm just gonna open it. This one is not broken, so it's probably just that palette, something, I don't know why it's broken, but not this one, and it's the same brand. It's so strange. Oh, it has tape. I think that's why I can't open it. Let me open it. They should add tape on the other one so it will be more secure. Anyway, look, these shades are the ones that I caught my eye because I've never seen these before. They look like marble. They look really cool. And obviously this green, blue shades. The rest I don't really care for. I mean, it's because I'm used to color. I wear more color, but they're still really pretty. I'll still use it, but this is pretty cool. This is perfect for fall. Wow. Wow. Okay. 2 palettes. I'm so glad. I really wanted makeup. Okay. So the next thing. Oh, hold on. I think this is a letter. Lo rompí. Hold on. I need to learn how to be more gentle. I break things easily, so. Okay. See? I don't know if I should read it in public. Is this private? I don't think so. Just thank you so much. Basically, you'll have the chance to apply for thousands of free products. We would love to hear from you. just download the app, tell your friends if you like us. I'm telling y'all, my friends, online YouTube friends, that I like them. They have even cool paper, like I know this is not me being biased. I truly like them. Like, they're nice. Like, I talk to them in the daily, and well, they send me stuff and I ask them questions. They're really patient and sweet, as y'all heard. Oops. So yeah, just a simple letter. So okay, the next, I didn't want it. Okay, I kind of wanted it, but not really, so that's why I didn't get it. But look, these are Christmas hairpins. They're really cute, but I wish they were smaller, because imagine like big one right here. That's why I didn't like it. Oh, I love my favorite flowers, sunflowers and daisies, and I love blue. They know me. Oh, they know me. Okay, anyways, I mean, I'm excited because it's Christmas, but I just wish it was big. I mean, smaller. Let me put one right now. Basically, so the snowman is my favorite from the bunch. So it looks like sorry, everything keeps dropping. Okay, I don't know how to put it on. Look, oh, those the ones I use. I haven't had these since I was a kid. Like the ones that you have to bend to pop. Wow. I can't remember the last time I wore these types of clips, so I'm gonna put one on so y'all can see the size. Like, it's so huge. I mean, it's cute and all, but okay, I'll still wear it for Instagram, but not in the public, so I don't think. But yeah, they had more options. I saw they had like 6 options, but I guess they just sent 3 instead of all of them. But this is still cute. Okay, so the next thing looks like it's like a choker or a bracelet. This is something that also I didn't want, that I would skip through, but it's always there. Like, they basically send me stuff that nobody gets. But it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I definitely don't want this. I don't know. It doesn't say if it's I think it's a bracelet. Bracelets fall on me because I have really tiny arms, so I want to say certain things here to give away, but I can't right now. It's so sad. Okay, the last thing. What? Another dinosaur? Or I don't know what that is. I think it's another bracelet, but it's pink. I mean, thank you, but I don't want it. Okay, I'm gonna count the stuff they sent me. They sent me 1, 2, 3, the pendant, 4, 5. So 6 things. Right? Where's the other earrings? I lost it. 6 things, and the mystery box is pretty cool. That's decent. It's not a lot, but not a little. So, wow, that's really cool. I got 6 free stuff. Ouch. I'm just so happy the makeup. I just wish it was more makeup than accessories. But oh well. So, this is pretty cool. Anyways, so thanks to Glamily again for sending me these free stuff. Oh yeah, and something that I remembered I was gonna show y'all is this. Y'all know that Glamily comes with a ribbon whenever you get free accessories or hair clips. Well, I take them off, and look, let me show you. These are like different ones I got. So these, you can use them for chokers or headbands, anything DIY. So y'all know I love DIY. I stopped since I was a teenager. I don't do DIY because now I focus more on makeup and other stuff. So, but yeah, this you can make a lot of stuff with the free ribbon. So maybe you'll see me on future videos with chokers or headbands using these ribbons. Look, this is how it looks when it comes in. And also I've been trying to put it on like this after I open it, but I don't know how to fix it, like tie it, because it comes loose. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use it for something else. So yeah, that's how it came about. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video with me. I've noticed a lot of people been coming from these type of videos, like Glamily videos, a lot of new subscribers, so I'm really grateful for that. I hope more of y'all come because this is fun. I noticed people enjoy more unboxings and makeup tutorials, and I understand, but makeup is like my first top priority in this channel. But I'll still try and do more unboxings, but you know, you need money to do that. So yeah, so this is fun. I hope y'all can see how fun it was for me. So I hope this was fun for y'all too. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. If y'all have any questions about it or anything, feel free to let me know, or follow me or whatever. Download the app, it's for free. So yeah, okay, thank y'all, bye.